Hey Algebra 2 students, I'm just going to do a quick run through of Edulastic. There's the link in Google Classroom that you can click on. The nice thing about Edulastic is that you're able to use the formulas for your answers, whereas Google Forms does not let us do that. So what you can do here to get your answers to write in your formulas, like for example, this one's the square roots, you can just click right here. And this is where you have all your symbols that you need. So here's the square root. Here's if you needed like a cube root right here. Like if we needed the x cubed. If you needed an exponent. So let's say you needed times, which I'm sure that's somewhere with the dots. Or you could just do it right next to each other. But I'm going to delete that. And if you ever want to delete, you just arrow over and then delete like so. And then that's not what I want to do. I keep doing it. Okay, so let's say I wanted like a y squared. Then that would be bring the exponent there. And so I know there's a, I think, oh, here's the dot right here. You can use that dot for multiplication if you wanted to. If you ever needed a fraction, you could do it here. So it's just pretty nice to use where Google Forms isn't. And then when you save that, your answer's right here, and then you would click to the next question. Now the thing is, what I did with Edulastic, I accidentally made this like an essay assessment. So I have to go in and check all of them once you submit them. But next time I know how to do that, where you'll see the solution right away, I think. So thanks for tuning in and trying this out for me. I got some really good feedback. So I appreciate it. And that's all I have for you. Thanks.